CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. This is paid pre-market. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. What I like the most about CRCL, that pre-market is already a bit higher, right? Not the most where, you know, just gaps up randomly, but a very decent amount, which is a great sign. And CRCL is crazy because I began making videos when this thing was like 76 bucks, $76. Then this thing went to like freaking 300, right? And here's the proof, like it was 76.98 at the time, just over 2 months, almost 3 months ago. I mean, yeah, it's 2 months ago. And then I got 3 long sides along that, got a break even because I was willing to buy, and then it came down. And the thing that I have here can be overly optimistic. This could be crazy. So I'm saying that this is going to double, right? Technically from 162 to 300, 100% up, right? Well, it depends, because I'm not going to be buying. This is going to be worth fucking nothing unless I see this confirmation taking place. And then I have the managing the trade game, which I'm very risk averse. And then intraday trades can also be biased for the long side. You know what I mean? So it's not going to be just blindly following it. I'm just sticking to my edge that I've refined over 5 years. And if you want to stay tuned with CRCL and get free money making emails and insights plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.